This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated, signed into the same Apple ID, and have Bluetooth and location on. Once done, open the Find My app on your iPhone and choose the Apple Watch entry. Tap Find and Watch for the first visual and haptic cues. You will immediately get a direction arrow and distance. Follow those cues now rather than switching apps, because continuous positioning requires the app to stay active. You should hold your iPhone upright and walk slowly while following the arrow and distance readout. Rapid movement can confuse the sensors. Make sure to pause when the arrow updates so the system can fuse Bluetooth, compass, and motion data. If the distance stops changing, reorient the phone and slowly rotate on the spot to recalibrate the compass. You'll notice stronger haptic pulses as you get closer. Trust both the vibration and the visual cue together to narrow down the location precisely. When you reach the approximate spot, use the play sound option to confirm the watch's exact position and then mark it found or disable lost mode. If the arrow stops or you get no signal, restart both devices and toggle Find My and Bluetooth. Make sure there's a clear line of sight and remove pockets or cases that block signals. Also move slowly and try again. Most locating issues resolve after a restart or by reducing interference, so don't panic and systematically retry these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.